Hello and good morning, everyone. In today's S&P 500 market mindset, we're going to be taking a look at the situation that we have at hand. Now, obviously, it's been a choppy few sessions, but that's just because we've been in this overall range here, okay? Now, from this perspective, we can kind of continue to scoot this over. You can start to notice that we're not technically out of the range outskirts, okay? So what we're really looking at right now is potentially here just a bigger move up that's going to retest this prior high before looking to come back down. So don't be too surprised if you get a situation like this, pull back, retest the high, and then we can look for a nice twin variation to enter in this market for a short to come to the downside like so, okay? Now, it's yet to be seen whether or not this is going to turn into a tighter range here in which we kind of just consolidate in this general area, going back up after, or if we're going to find ourselves actually cascading and falling lower. Now, if that's going to be the case, then we can also look at the entire range that I just mentioned earlier as a potential swing, okay? So if we're looking at it in that like jurisdiction, I guess you could say, let me change this to red really quick, then we can look at it in terms of the full distance above. Let me get this one more time. The full distance above here should be what we're looking for the full distance underneath, okay? So don't be too surprised if you see a continuation coming all the way back down to right around 68.06.5. But make no mistake that once we do reach that level, we would be expecting a bounce and a bullish return of the overall market, okay? So even though it will be pretty much extremely bearish at that point, you can't fight the overall trend right now, which is still longer term bullish and what is a bullish consolidation, okay? So for right now, looking at these two variations, ideally, again, we're going to get this little pop up to the upside, highlighted here in blue, and then we'll roll over. And then once we kind of get to right around 68.54, we will have to kind of see what the market's going to do. Is it going to roll over and continue to go, or will it kind of make a consolidation right there? You know, that's my general idea and thoughts. And tomorrow, for all of you who've been watching these videos, I will be having a free live stream at 9:30, so you can see me trade this live and in action, okay? So again, everyone, be safe, trade safe, and I'll see you all on the next candle.